In the spring of 2017, the Dallas Scottish Rite Museum and Library was severely damaged when hit by 2.5-inch hail from a major storm. DFW Urethane had installed the urethane roof back in the early 1990s. Since the urethane roof has performed well over time, the Dallas Scottish Rite decided to let DFW Urethane replace the original roof with a higher R-value insulation system and thicker coating to accomplish a higher resistance to hail. Donny Broughton, the General Secretary of Dallas Scottish Rite, has joined us to share his experience with DFW Urethane throughout the re-roofing project.
My name is Donny Broughton, and I'm the General Secretary and COO of Dallas Scottish Rite Bodies and Library Museum. We are a 501c3 not-for-profit organization. Our building here was finished in 1911 with all the ornate plaster and everything, so we spent a lot of time and effort trying to maintain this building because it's so old and it's on the historical registry. Very meticulous about who we allow to come in and do work for us, but we've done business in the past with John here, with DFW Urethane, and they've always done a good job for us. We recently experienced some hail damage on the roof that necessitated a complete replacement, so we went back to them again and asked them to come do the job. This is a 36,000 square foot building, so it was a pretty big roof up there, but they projected the time of the project would take about 6 to 8 weeks. We've managed to get it completed in 5 weeks. They had a few obstacles they had to overcome for us. We are actually a fraternal organization too. We are part of the Masonic fraternity, so there's a lot of history here, a lot of archives, just a beautiful building. So they were very careful in helping us keep everything running during that reconstruction phase. Just been a great company to work for, and I think we've probably established a friendship that'll last a long time.
We did, and I really appreciate you guys letting us do your job.